Welcome back, everybody. This is George at the Volo Auto Museum, and today's virtual test drive is on a 1969 Chevy Chevelle convertible. It was recently frame off restored. Really looks beautiful. While I'm doing this walk around, you can go ahead and, if you haven't already, click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on the notifications so you get updated anytime that we put a video up. And then when we're done with the test drive, go on over to volocars.com and see what Jay wrote up about this and for pricing and everything. Our door just pops right open. Another thing, these test drives are for people who are interested in purchasing one of these classic cars from us. So if you don't have a chance to actually make it out yet, you can get a little bit of a feel for it. So inside here, they completely reupholstered everything from the doors, the seats, even has new window cranks, everything. The only thing is this is the original cluster of gauges right here. Speedometer, tachometer, fuel gauge, battery, oil, engine temperature. The radio doesn't work, and it is a 4-speed, so let's fire it up. Clicks right over. All right, let's take it for a ride. Whenever we do these test drives, this is my first time actually taking them out on the road, so we're experiencing this together. They haven't been through our shop or anything. Drive straight, sounds beautiful. Shifts easy. The clutch is firm but not too firm. You're not going to get calves like Arnold Schwarzenegger shifting this thing. Steers really well. Very minimal play in the steering wheel. As I'm sitting here looking around the inside, it really is a nice interior. I'm not seeing any tears in the paint or anything not dyed, faded, no tear. Like I said, you can tell it's new upholstery. Take it on here, get on it a little bit. Oh, reverse too far. That's a nice ride down this bumpy road. if I can do it this time a little smoother. Definitely has some get up and go. Thanks for going along in this virtual test drive. Like I said, make sure you click subscribe, turn on the notifications on the YouTube channel, and then go on over to volocars.com and hear everything Jay has to say in detail about this vehicle and pricing and everything. Now, as always, appreciate you.